Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride our 1974 Dodge Charger. Of course, you know everybody loves the Chargers as they were one of the best Dodge Plymouth vehicles ever made. As being top of the line, you know you wanted one of these cars. But look into the one we have here featuring a gorgeous black exterior, followed by some red along the hood and around the sides. But to keep it real and keep it mean, we have the spoiler in the back, dual headlights in the front, and even the appropriate style Dodge wheels. With the white letter BF Goodrich tires to add a little bit of spice in today's modern society. Even so, with this particular year, you will notice we have the turn signals on the fenders, hood pins. Even so, the fine little back end is just the way to look at it from passing any kind of newer vehicle, as this is the kind of car that takes on the road, handles the road, and is a true performer. Which looking, you'll see on both sides, we have two round mirrors. Even so, a somewhat vinyl top on the back. Very cool how they added classic and muscle to the same kind of vehicle, which moves us on to the inside, featuring an automatic on the floor. With the automatic, you'll notice we have the pistol grip shifter. We have the 3-spoke wheel with the actual protected over the wheel. Followed by that, one of the coolest things that Dodge ever made was the button to take out the key. So of course, if you didn't know how to turn it off or take the key out, the lever is right there. But you will see we have the appropriate style gauges going left from right from our tachometer, speedometer, and yes, you have your headlight controls, followed by the needle gauges for your temperature, alternator, fuel, and oil pressure. But underside, you will see they have not replaced the original style radio, which is a true gift to get with the 74 Charger. But looking at it, you will see that this is an upgraded package for the 74 Charger, as the Brookham even interior. You'll see with that you have the handle, the wood grain, and yes, even the armrest. Beautiful vinyl seats with the built-in buttons still intact. Rear seats with the buttons intact, followed by lap belts. You even have the louvers on the rear windows, rear deck speakers, and followed by that, the awesome floor mats, which does take us on to the engine bay, featuring the 440, the king of the Dodge motor. Followed by that, it has manifolds, it has disc brakes, it has power steering. Even so, right now we'll test it for you to let you see how good it handles at idle. But followed by that, it came with factory style AC, which even so makes it a perfect kind of car, and yes, saves you a little bit of money. But as for now though, we are just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.